if you're just beginning with .NET, we have tons of resources available for you to get started, like our Microsoft Learn modules, where you can earn badges and points, and even trophies just for completing courses. We also have our Learn Live sessions, which are live and on demand daily, which you can find online. And if you don't feel like going through those courses alone, you can join our monthly webinar series, where you join me and experts as we walk through Microsoft Learn modules together. You can also find our .NET 101 video series that covers all of the platforms with .NET from beginning to publishing an app. And lastly, you can find our C# 101 notebooks, which are interactive documentation and training in Visual Studio Code with no .NET install needed. Get started today.